Hi guys, welcome to the new playlist Power BI for data science, data analytics, business intelligence, any role, data engineering. It's gonna be fully covered. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the tool within context of interview preparation. So guys, today we'll be just focusing on overview and stuff. So guys, first of all, I'll tell you very honestly, I have worked with Power BI a lot. Okay, few things that you need to know. Number one, is it difficult? No, it's not difficult at all. What is difficult? Why do you have senior BI developer and all those folks? See guys, the main problem is in order to understand legacy systems, okay, companies have a lot of data that's lying in SQL server, okay, maybe in some Excel, maybe in some third party software. The main problem is to bring this data into a unified format and then draw analysis. And guys, some companies, usually I am of the opinion that the best companies have the most simple set of KPIs. I'll tell you the reason why the best set of companies have the most simple set of KPIs. The reason is audit. The thing is that if your company is having very complicated KPIs, right, that must be for internal tracking because they cannot be audited, right? A lot of companies have data which they say that okay, this is what it is. A lot of financial firms audit that, guys, right? You have big four and all, so let's not go there. But the main thing is that your reporting solution needs to be systematic. So the main problem is in order to understand the business, in order to understand the requirements, in order to execute those requirements, because there's a lot of communication gap which happens. So that is where a BI developer and maybe data analyst wins. Otherwise, on a systematic layer, it's not difficult at all. It's more or less in understanding with experience. But guys, this was demanded, so I'm making a video. And guys, I'm trying to cover everything on my YouTube channel. Please just subscribe. See guys, I have covered SQL for data science interview, data analytics. Any interview you have, do these set of 6 questions and then practice from my SQL sheet. I can guarantee guys you won't be failing. This is NLP playlist. This is in progress. This will take time. This would be full, guys, full end to end thing. Guys, full playlist on AI engineering is there. Data science industry ready project is there. Flask playlist is there. Python for data science, data analytics interviews there. Data talks are there. Unique data analytics projects are there. Guys, everything is there. So just try to stay with me. So today we'll be just discussing about an overview of Power BI. So what happens? Usually you click on new report. The main thing is, first of all, usually people ask questions like, how many views does Power BI have? I have seen people mess this question up as well. So essentially guys, Power BI has 3 views: report view, table view and model view. So guys, since post every lecture I need to just document stuff as well, so let me start documenting in front of you only. Let me go to a drive, because guys, at the end you would need some place to just go through that, right? So let's create a blank document and let's just name it as Power BI interview stack. Power BI interview stack. Let me just close it a bit. Power BI interview stack. Okay, so let's just try about question view. Question one: different views in Power BI. Guys, I'll be showing you everything. Just stay in this playlist. I'll try to make it quick so that I don't consume a lot of time. You guys can focus on main things which are far more important than Power BI as well. So guys, answer one. So guys, see different views in Power BI. Let's just not like waste our time in writing answers. Let's just say different views in Power BI. Let's just use Claude. So guys, I have Claude's premium subscription. You guys can choose whichever tool you want. So see guys, what are different views in Power BI? See, there are 3 views. One is report view. Here you make report and everything. Then here there is data view. There you can see the data. And then there is model view where you model stuff. Okay, simple guys. Is it difficult? Tell me. But still, it's important to know these things. Let's just quickly get some data. Okay, let's just quickly get a CSV data. Okay, so that there be some data so that you can maybe relate to it more. Let's just go to where should I have? I think there's a tech ready. tech is all you need playlist. Okay. Tech is all you need, ML automation, data, customer. Yeah. So let's just get this set of file. Okay, so let's just go to transform data once. Everything guys will be covered. Just relax and chill. I tend to make the lecture short because I want you to cover everything in the quickest possible manner. That's my promise to you. So now we have some data that's coming in. This is basically customer purchasing behavior. We'll see what to do and what not to do, how to approach this playlist. It's fine. The main thing is, only thing that we need to figure out is that allow me 1 second. Yes guys, I'm back. Sorry for the minor inconvenience. So the guys, the main idea is what are different views in Power BI. So we have report view, table view and model view. So in report view you make reports, in table view we make tables, and in model view we have data modeling part, right, where we connect dimensional tables with fact tables. Okay, right now we have a single table, so no need to worry. So let's just try to different views in Power BI: report, model and data. Quick answer for this. So guys, quickly I'm just documenting everything so that you don't need to waste your time and stuff. You can quickly just get this stuff done. Okay, I'll just copy this and paste it over here. So we have covered question number 1. Okay, so let me just mention it in this form, and let me just unbold this stuff. Okay guys, just try to stay with me. We'll try to cover on a lot of things end to end. So we have done question number 2. Let's just move to question 2. So usually guys, some people, you know what they ask? They ask end to end life cycle of an Power BI project. Because guys, I don't want to cover toy questions. I want to give you a real sense of what people ask, and I have myself appeared for so many interviews guys, and in every place they have asked Power BI. So don't worry, let's just copy this and let's just paste it over here. End to end life cycle of a Power BI project, data import. Okay, I'll explain you: cleaning, modeling, charts, QC and refresh cycle. So see guys, I'm just trying to give you pointers and stuff so that we just quickly have this documented, so that then we can spend some time in discussing everything. Control C and Control V. So guys, see, this is a very important question. It has been asked to almost everyone who has appeared. So the thing is, what is the life cycle of a data science or perhaps a Power BI project? So guys, in order to explain this, I want to explain you this question very well so that you don't mess up here. So allow me 2 minutes guys. Let me connect to a system so that I can make you understand this really well. Allow me 2 minutes guys. So guys, main point of concern or main point of discussion today would be end-to-end Power BI life cycle. Let me just write it out: end-to-end Power BI project workflow life cycle, whatever people want to ask. Okay, workflow. So guys, what happens is, I'll tell you. First of all, you have data. Now that data can be anywhere guys. Okay, by anywhere I mean anywhere. It can be anywhere. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to get this data either to a data warehouse or to directly Power BI. So let's just stick to Power BI layer only right now. So you had a lot of data. So you bring it to Power BI. How do you bring it guys? Simply we just import it. Okay, we have brought in the data to Power BI. Now what happens in the project is that you clean this data, clean the data. Where does data cleaning and all happens guys? Data cleaning and all happens in Power Query. Then you model the data. Why do we need to model the data guys? Come on, answer these questions. We need to model the data because essentially whenever we have a star schema, it becomes really easy for certain set of DAX majors and related stuff, so that Power BI reports can scale very easily. So if you have proper dimensionality, okay, we'll discuss about everything, but yeah, just try to stay with me. If we try to have proper star schema where we have dim tables, dim 1, dim 2, dim 3 connected to one fact table, this type of structure is followed. And then guys, we create a report, and then guys, after the report we do QC is essentially checking that do the numbers make sense, and then we decide on the refresh cycle and all, that how often the report should be refreshed, okay, how you would publish it, okay, how you would set up a refresh cycle, everything will be covered, but just try to see it at an overview level, okay. Refresh cycle and related stuff, okay. So mostly this is what happens. Now guys, how to answer this in proper manner, okay. See, try to keep the communication clear and try to say that first of all, post seeing the data, we tend to create a wireframe. What is a wireframe? Wireframe is a rough outlet, ROUGH, rough outlet, rough outline of the report that you will create, okay. Post that, what you need to do is you need to start with data ingestion, then you need to go with data cleaning, then you need to go with data modeling, then you need to go with reporting, and then you need to decide on the architecture layer, that what needs to be the refresh cycle, what needs to be the place at which your report is going to deploy, is it going to stay in Power BI service, and everything. So guys, don't worry, everything will be covered, okay. So right now this is the workflow that you need to know. This is how an end-to-end guys Power BI project workflow looks like. So guys, I think for today we have discussed 2 questions. Those are enough. I'll try to guys make more videos, upload more videos very frequently. Guys, please follow my YouTube channel for great content. And if you have any doubts, guys, free feel to reach out to me at my LinkedIn or Instagram. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.